Hi, I'm Samantha. Welcome to the Art of Being Fabulous' first YouTube video. This isn't an official one because I'm just kind of getting used to a new camera I just got, so I'm just testing it out, but I thought I'd just kick it off. I'm going to be talking today about coconut oil and its uses as a moisturizer. Most of the videos will be about 5, maximum 20 minutes long. The 20-minute ones will be about workouts and some of my recipes. I try to strive to be fabulous in about 5 to 20 minutes if possible, so I'm going to be sharing my secrets and tips with you guys and how I do that. And first, my base for myself is coconut oil as a moisturizer. I also use it in my hair and also on my nails. It strengthens my nails, it makes my hair feel really soft, and also for my skin it makes it feel really soft, especially in the winter time, which right now it's the time to do it. So I don't know why I picked my first YouTube video to do without makeup on, but you have to start with no makeup, and I'm realizing that's probably a mistake for the first one. I used to do YouTube videos with my friend Carrie for baseball. Hi Carrie, if you're watching, and at least with somebody else there it made me less annoying, so I'm sorry. I'll be as quick as possible with this one, which is also why I picked coconut oil first. It takes no time to use. So basically you just want to start with an oil that is virgin, cold pressed, and organic if possible. And I have no specific brand, and you'll find with me, I don't have any endorsements. I'm not sponsoring anything specific. I just like what I like. This one is called Nutiva, and I just found it in the grocery store near me, so I'm trying it. I ran out of my other one, and I don't remember the name of that one. So this one has been working really great so far for the last month. So it's the one I'm using now. I take a tub like this, and I put it in a small container so I can use it and carry this around with me in my purse, which I wrap up so it doesn't get everything messy. And basically for my face, after I've washed my face, I just take about a dime or quarter size. It's winter, so probably a quarter, and I actually put it everywhere, including under my eyes. And some people haven't used it under their eyes or don't like to use it under their eyes, but I found it's been amazing. And it works the same as any under eye creams I've used, really expensive ones, cheap ones, it doesn't matter, it's worked the same or better. And I also put some on my neck. And that's pretty much it, and then I'll put my makeup on top and I let it sit for a bit. I use this in the summer too, which may not be the greatest idea because sometimes you're putting oil, when you put oil on and it's sunny out, maybe you're cooking yourself, I'm not sure, but I do it anyway, and I just put some sunscreen on top of it, and I've been fine so far. But in the winter, this has been the savior for me. It's really dry in my place right now, and I don't know what I would look like if I didn't actually use this stuff right now, and actually hesitate to want to think about that. So I do the same for my body. After I've showered, I put it all over. Some people find they don't want that sticking to them, so they'll do it at night, and I think at night it's great. And especially on your hands, because if you want, you can wrap your hands in gloves so that it's not getting everywhere. And honestly, it will help your nails grow. It makes your skin soft. Coconut oil is the best thing ever. I use it for everything, and I say when in doubt, use coconut oil. I do not like the taste of it, but I will use it everywhere else. So that's it for this one. I just wanted to do a short little clip, and I hope that everyone has a great day and that you will tune in for my official videos, and I will wear makeup, I promise, next time, so that it doesn't look that bad and you don't have to listen to me and watch me at the same time like this. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one. And I will be most likely be doing a recipe for my next one. I finally learned my new stove, so it will take me 20 minutes now to get my recipes down. It's taking me a little bit longer on my new stove. I just moved a couple months ago, so that's it for me.